Hello everybody, it's your almost friend Kai again, and just a quick update here. I am going from Washington DC to New York again. I know I was going to go to Philadelphia or Boston or try and get some new experiences on how to live on the streets in other cities. But I'm just not I'm not healthy enough for that right now. It's getting towards winter time, and I need to go someplace that I'm more familiar with, more comfortable with, and there really is no place that I am more comfortable with than New York. I know the city. I love the city, and it has Wi-Fi internet everywhere, free. It has places to charge your cell phone everywhere, free, right on the street. They don't harass the homeless for sleeping outside. That I've noticed. Somebody of my skin tone tends to get off better. I wish it were different, but I can only give you the experience from my perspective. I also have a kind of homeless look about me, I guess, that people tend to feel sorrier for me. I've been told. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. Another thing I miss about New York is the food, the halal carts, the lamb gyros or gyros, whatever you want to call them. They're delicious. It's thinly sliced lamb or diced lamb on I guess you could call it a pita or naan bread, or it's a flatbread. It's delicious, and it's got, well, the good ones have vegetables, either cabbage or lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and then they have the white sauce, which is supposed to be tzatziki sauce, which is a Greek yogurt, dill, cucumber sauce that's absolutely delicious. I don't know if that's the way they're making it in New York, but everybody pretty much has their own recipe for white sauce, and it's delicious. It's so good. If you get a chance to have a lamb gyro, I understand for some of you lamb may be a little exotic. In India, it's the staple meat because they don't eat cow. But it's delicious, and the gyros or gyros are eaten all over the Middle East, the Greece, India. That's how good they are. They're that good. Jack in the Box used to serve them. I guess the lamb was a little too exotic for the American palate. But I highly recommend if you can. And halal. Halal is like kosher. It means it's like Arabic for blessed. It just means that there's no hot dog meat going into your gyro. You're not getting the crappy cuts and stuff. So I mean, it's good, well inspected, properly blessed meat. If you get a chance to go to New York, if you get a chance to eat from a halal cart, if you ever get a chance to have a gyro, I definitely highly recommend all of that. If you get a chance to travel, New York is one of the best places to visit. DC is also an awesome place to visit. I've just been here for too long, and I need to get out. I need to move. I've got itchy feet. But yeah, I don't really trust myself in a new city right now. But come springtime, I promise you, I will get on the road and start making some how to survive being homeless videos all over. But I am, yeah, I'm gonna spend the winter in Florida. And I know Florida has a horrible reputation for how they treat homeless people, and it's well deserved. Senator Marco Rubio is kind of a dick, and he's been making passing. Well, he's a dick. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. Definitely gonna show you how to survive in Key West, if not Miami and Orlando too. I'm gonna try and do some of those. Anyway, this video is really long for saying absolutely nothing. But yeah, that's basically a quick update on my life so far, and I'll get back to you guys soon with another video on how to survive being homeless. And I hope you guys are doing well. God bless. Take care.